Hey everyone, welcome back to EasyPY, Python 0 to Hero series. Today we're diving into something really powerful, modules and the Python standard library. Let's unlock the hidden tools that make Python so versatile. Section 1. What are modules? A module is simply a file that contains Python code, functions, variables, or classes that we can reuse. Let's start by importing the built-in math module and use it to calculate a square root. Section 2. Using aliases. Sometimes, module names are long, so we can use an alias with the keyword as. Here, we import math as m and call the cosine function. Section 3. Importing specific functions. If you only need one function, you can import it directly. Here, we import only the sqrt function from math, which keeps our code clean. Section 4. Random module. The random module is great for generating random numbers or making random choices. Perfect for games, simulations, or testing. Section 5. Datetime module. The datetime module allows us to work with dates and times. For example, we can get the current date and time instantly. Section 6. OS and sys modules. The OS and sys modules let us interact with the operating system and Python itself. Here we get the current working directory and check the Python version. And that's it for today's lesson on modules and the Python standard library. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Drop a comment with your favorite Python module. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.